This snake in the African languages is called libululu. Roughly translated, that means killer. It's of course the infamous puff adder. It's called puff adder because it puffs its whole body up and sounds like a steam train if it gets agitated. This snake is responsible for the most deaths by snake bite in Africa. That being said, only about 10% of people who get bitten actually die. It's got a highly cytotoxic venom which hurts very, very much. They say if you get bitten, first 5 minutes you wish you wouldn't die, and after that you wish you would. This snake is distinguished because it's got a very thick set body. It's got a head that is quite distinguished from the rest of its body, a triangular shape, and it's got keeled scales. It's an ambush predator and lies in wait in little paths like this one for prey to come along. If you do see a snake like this around your house or in the Kruger Park, you can get them because they are very, very common all over southern Africa. Do not engage with it. It moves very slow, but it's one of the fastest strikers of any snake. It bites about, or the strike is about 2.5 of a second, which means only a quarter of a second to give you a bite and inject large amount of venom. So if you do see a snake like this, do not disturb it a lot. Get somebody to take it out.